S.H.I.F ĩbataraga mĩbango ya kwandĩkithia kwa S.H.I.F kwambĩrĩria mweri ũyũ.
This verification is in line with the government's commitment to ensure a seamless transition from NHIF to SHA, one that does not disrupt service delivery to the people of Kenya. And therefore, the expectancy is going to be smooth, going to be accountable, is going to have the day what has been handed over to SHA.
All and we've aware of government assets because it is not clear, it's not transparent on how we conduct ourselves.
What does NHIF own? What are we passing on? So that they don't say they received 10 vehicles and we gave them 100 vehicles. So that's the whole exercise. Madeni ni ngapi? How much money do we have? What liabilities are going to SHA?
Beyond just being a legal and constitutional imperative, it is important that we do things in the right manner. I'd also like to thank Engineer Kamau and his board for being responsible parents, so that at least we have an inheritance that we can inherit, and we promise that we're going to take care of it in the manner that is required.